Welcome to Astro Camp, fellow astronauts. Today we're going to be building a habitat. For this activity you will need Scotch tape, a measuring tape, a stapler, and from home you'll need a pencil, around 100 sheets of newspaper, and a pair of scissors. To start building our habitat today, we're going to start by building what we call logs that will design our structure. So to build each log, you'll need 2 sheets of newspaper, fully unfold it, and make sure you have one of the corners. In your corner, you're going to take your pencil, place it in said corner, and start to roll. Once you get to the other corner, kind of fold it over, and if you need to, make sure it works a lot easier if you have a partner here to help you tape the roll down with your Scotch tape.
Take a tape measure and measure the log up to 30 inches. Once it hits 30 inches, grab a scissors and cut it off. Proceed to make 37 logs. Take 2 logs and have your partner hold them for you. You will grab your stapler and have the 2 corners of the logs and staple at least twice. While stapling, you could also overlap the 2 logs to ensure that they're stapled together. You will repeat this for each side to create a triangle.
Proceed to make 8 triangles. Now take 5 of your triangles and at each base staple each of your triangles. After you've stapled 2 of your triangles together down at the corner of the base, you're then going to take 1 more log and add it from the point to the top of each triangle. Do that for 5 of your triangles.
You'll need the 5 triangles and then the 4 extra logs to put on top.
Once you have completed that, take 5 logs and staple them all at one point, forming a star. Grabbing the structure we made earlier, you and your partner should wrap it around and then add an extra triangle in and staple it in the corners for extra support. You should now have a pentagon-like structure. Now that you've constructed your base and your star, you and your partner are going to staple the star to the top of your base. Each point on your star will go to a point on the base.
now finished creating our habitat, which is used for humans to live on Mars. And now we're going to start creating our airlock, which Clayton has in his hand. The airlock is pretty much the place between your habitat and the outside world of Mars, where if you get into it, it'll release the air of the Mars and create air that you can breathe into.
To build your airlock, you will need 6 logs, 2 triangles, and your stapler. Start by attaching 2 logs from your base. From those 2 logs, attach another triangle going upwards, and then 2 logs from the corners of those triangles going up. Then connect the point of your triangle back to your habitat. From there, attach 2 more logs back to your triangle, and your airlock is complete. Use this picture as a guide to show what your habitat should look like. If you need to, go ahead and go back to earlier parts of the video to see what else you can improve on. Once complete, throw a white sheet over top and you have completed your habitat.